Now let's continue with some more. Okay, let's just make a separation. Okay, now let's do this one. Let's imagine the following sequence: an equals n squared and another an equals minus 2n. Let's suppose that those are for n equal odd number, odd terms, and this one for even ones. Again, just pause the video and think a little bit, okay? Not better, just don't think, but think and write it down. It's very important, okay? Just don't look at the screen and thinking and reasoning. Actually, please take a paper, take a pen, just this, okay? Please try to do this. Take a piece of paper and let's start. I'm going to start in here. Now do this, it's not going to kill you, okay? Now the odds, like 1, so a1, it is going to be what? 1 squared, okay? a2, this is even, minus 2n. Well, if n is 2, minus 2 times 2, minus 4, okay? a3, this is odd, 3 squared, and so on, okay? Try to do this. Please pause the video, okay? Pause the video and think, and then come back at least with, go to up to the term a8, okay? Okay, I assume you already did your part. Now let's make this sequence in here. Let's start the sequence. Okay, a1, it is 1 squared. I'm going to put in, okay, I'm going to do this. The odds are going to be blue and the evens are going to be red. It's easier to see. Now the even, red. Okay, now n equals 2, because this is the second term, okay? It's second. N equals 2, 2 times 2, 4, minus 4. The third one, third, it is odd, 3 squared, which is 9. The fourth, even, n equals 4, 2 times 4, 8, minus 8. Okay, and now we don't have to actually, okay, read everything here. We can just take an idea, okay? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, so this is going to be 5 squared. Now this is going to be again minus what? N equals 6 minus 12, right? Okay, because n equals 1 2 3 4 5, n equals 6 in here. Okay, now again number 7, it is 49, and number 8, the last one I asked it is 16. Okay, and as we can see, we have this relationship. Okay, well, what are we doing? We are actually subtracting 4, right? 4 minus 8, minus 12, minus 16, minus 4. This is another way to see it. Well, in here, there is nothing we can do unless we just make n squared. We are just squaring, okay? N squared. Okay, so this is a very simple one. Now let's see a different one, okay? This one is going to be a little bit more complicated. Now, try to see this one. I'm going to give you now this sequence, and we're going to try to complete the sequence. Okay, this is going to be like this: 1 3 6 8 16, 18. Now you complete in here and in here. This is one. I'm going to give you another one in here too. Think about those two in here. 1, 3, 6, 18, 21. You do it, you do it. Again, this is a sequence. I just want you to complete those terms that are missing. Okay? Again, pause the video and come back. Try to think. Well, if you just, for instance, think like this. 1, 2, 3 plus 2. The first thing I would do, it would be this, right? Plus 2. Doesn't matter. It doesn't work. Let's say, well, maybe times 3. Times 3 in here. Times 3 should be 9. Doesn't work. And then I start to see this. 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 16, double, and 16 to 18. It's weird. It's weird. Why is it so? Because how come from here to here it's double, or maybe plus 8, and from here to here just plus 2? It's weird. Those two, they are not connected. I mean, chances are that we have two sequences in here, because if we just had one, we wouldn't have this distance and this distance in here. They have nothing in common. So it seems that this is one sequence, this is another one. So we have two ratios in here, okay? We have two rules going on in here. And the same goes in here. 1 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 18, 18 to 21. Again, the same thing. It's weird. How come we have the triple in here and here just add 3? Makes no sense. Unless we have two different sequences, okay? Interposed, okay? Like AB, 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 and so on. Like this. Let me just give you a hint. If you don't want the hint, please pause now, because I'm going to give you a hint. If you want to solve this without any further hints, pause and try to do yourself. If you are just willing to accept another hint, then just continue. Do this. Let's see if there is something that calls your attention in here. And this one is a little bit more complicated, okay? But I'm going to do this. Okay? This one, this one, this one. I'm going to do this. And well, if you don't want any more hints, again, stop and do it. If you want another hint, just leave the video going. I'm just trying to make you see the relations, okay, that they have. Okay? Those are the relations. That's how they are related to each other, okay? In this way. And in here, let me see if I can give another hint. Yes, I can. In here. Like this. And then like this. Okay? And again. Like this. Okay, now pause the video and see what can you come out. Okay, not easy. What did you get it? Well, let me just give you the answer. Not the answer, let's just solve it. Let's take the red one. Okay, what is going to be? What is it from here to here? Plus 5, plus 10, So this should be a maybe. Okay, I didn't give you enough. Okay, maybe I should have given you a little bit more, but it seems to be just a plus 15 now, right? It could be a plus 15. Okay, and in here again, this is a plus 5, now plus 10, and now a plus 15. Okay, yes, it could be plus 5, plus 10, plus 20, maybe I was doubling. Okay, but since I didn't give you any more information, it is okay if you assume it is plus 15. If someone had assumed that this should be a plus 20, yes, there is a sequence in here. Plus 5, this is the double, 10, this could be the double, 20, and so on. But if we just got it in this way, it's not wrong. Okay, so 16 plus 15 is going to be 31. Let me just put in green. This is going to be 31. And again, 18 with 15, it is going to be 33. Okay, now what about this one? Let's see, what do we have here? 1 to 3, 6 to 18. What is that? We're just multiplying by 3, aren't we? Right? Well, therefore, this should be what? 63, right? If you thought about 63, you are right. Yes, it is indeed 63. Now, what is going on here? 3 to 6, 18 to 21. This is a plus 3, isn't it? Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Therefore, this should be a 66. You see, those are all different ways to have a sequences, and sometimes we might be interested about getting the general form, sometimes we might just be interested about knowing some other terms, okay, and most of times we're going to have two different sequences, okay, two different rules for the odds, for the odd terms and for the even terms. And don't think that they have to be the same rule, okay? So this is another example of sequence.